Ladies and gentlemen, there are three things in this universe that you can kind of count on. One is that you'll probably get taxed. Two is that you'll probably die. And three is that you can count on change. Watch this. This is really interesting. Now, it's interesting to note. Number one, taxes you can either avoid or reduce. Number two, no one really knows what happens after death. Just saying. Number three, change, you can count on it. Look at that. I've changed my DJI Spark, which I love, to now include this 1/4-inch camera mount, which will let me loosen. So there's a little thing here which I can loosen and then move my camera mount around to a degree in an orbital fashion, or poke it down out of the way, so that at 50 kilometers an hour in sport mode I can drone along, or with, I'll put it upside down so I can make sure it's kind of straight, with my camera mount in place and my 360 camera mount adapter, maybe even 3D printed, I can then put that camera on top of this. It'll stick up a bit like that and do 360 drone video. Now, you're going to think to yourself, that's a lot of work for such a low quality kind of a device. This is not low quality, number one. This will travel 50 kilometers per hour in sport mode to get me 2 kilometers away from where I am situated. Then I can go to normal mode and then move around nicely and gently and take really cool cinematic video and then put it back in sport mode and retrieve the video back to where I am here right now, put it into my iPhone and upload it to the video, audio, internet so that you can watch what I produce. Change is inevitable. Now, why would I want to do that? Okay, so 1080p, uploaded to the internet, it's all manipulated over at Facebook and at YouTube and at wherever it goes, so that it's not actually displaying in glorious, I think it's 3K maximum on that, maybe 4K. It's actually chopped down significantly. So the quality, obviously, if you put a 8K video up on YouTube, Facebook, etc., is still going to be better than a possibly 3K video coming out of that, but it's not going to be mind-blowingly different, you know? And when you consider a $1,000 outlay for that drone with the controller and the extra batteries and all the other add-ons, plus the $89 camera, plus the $2 adapter and half a cent on Araldite, my favourite, like gaff tape and Araldite, the best tools ever made in the universe. You can do anything with those two things. That means I'll be able to produce pretty good quality video to share with you anywhere in the world. This is so cool. So I'm going to get my remote pilot license so that I can remotely pilot that anywhere that I want to. All I've got to do is all I've got to do is call up the air traffic control tower of the place that I'm at, talk to the air traffic controller nicely, ask them nicely, would you mind if I fly my drone within 5.5 radius of your airport? I promise I won't go higher than whatever the height I want to get to. More than likely, they're going to say, that's okay, because I'll give them my name, my address, my remote pilot license, ARN number from CASA. And if they say no, I'll just wait a few weeks and ask the nicest person I can find for permission. And if I have to do that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, I don't care. I'll just wait until someone says yes and do it. That's the smarty pants face that you can print out, throw darts at, because I know I've got that, at least that little bit sense of self-aware, knowing I can be extremely annoying, but that's okay, because ultimately I don't care. Alright, when I get my adapter, which is due in, man, I think it's the 7th of November, I can't believe it. When I get that, I'll do video and I will share that with you. Until then, I'm going to do these things. Okay, bye-bye now.